Hey, my name's Colin Shearing. I'm a field service tech here at Koike Aronson. One of the main questions I get as a service technician is, what can I do as a customer to keep my machine up and running for peak performance? And there are a few simple steps to do that I'm going to go over today. Here at Koike Aronson, we want to ensure that you continue to make money with your machine instead of lose money with costly downtime and expenses. So before every maintenance procedure that you do, it's a good idea to check your e-stops to make sure your safety circuit is working properly. One of the most important things to keep your ShopPro operating at top performance is greasing your bearings. The recommended grease for your machine is a number 2 NLGI bearing grease. There are 6 bearings located on the machine, 2 at each side of the gantry. There's a plastic cover that just pops off, and then 2 on your X carriage. Ideally, you're going to want to do 1 pump, move the machine back and forth approximately 6 to 8 inches, and then do another pump. And we recommend doing this at least once a week. After greasing your bearings, the next step you want to perform is to wipe down your rails. If you get foreign matter caught on your rails, they'll prematurely damage your bearings and cause you to have machine downtime. The next thing to make sure you have wiped down and clean is your torch breakaway. If you get foreign matter stuck against these capacitive sensors, you're going to get a torch breakaway error, or you could potentially damage the sensors. So it's a good idea just to keep it wiped down. So at this point, your ShopPro is greased, cleaned, visually inspected. Now to get on to one of the main components of your ShopPro is your cutting table. Your slats need to be visually inspected to make sure that none are damaged, uneven, have undue wear, or you have pieces cut out from previous jobs stuck in between them. Secondly, the water inside your machine. We recommend your water in your table sits about 1 inch to 1.5 inches below the top of the slats. Also, that you have the proper amount of plasma green inside it, which is an oxide inhibitor to prevent rust on your table. As part of your routine maintenance, you should also inspect your table's grounding point. Make sure that it's free of debris and also secure. It's important to ensure that you have high quality air going into your machine. On the back of this 105 sink, it has an individual air filter that should also be routinely inspected. Another place to inspect is your air filter for your scribe, if so equipped on your table. Another good thing for general housekeeping is to keep your area clean with all your hoses and cables and free of trash and debris. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. If you have any other questions or concerns about how to keep your table running smoothly, don't hesitate to reach out. Until next time, stay safe.